This old beauty was a 1917 wood canvas built in Kennebec, Maine. I bought it a long time ago and I was going to restore it and I never got to it, and it fell into this kind of condition. I was going to bring it in one piece, but I put it up on the truck and I realized there's no way it was going to make it here all the way. So I took the saw and I had to cut it up, unfortunately, because it would have been awesome to see the whole thing go up. And yeah, it's understandable. But I figure it's a fitting end to this beauty to be finally put to rest in front of a bunch of paddlers. So we're gonna torch it, but just stand back because it's very dry. I'll make this work, trust me. It's very dry, and I can't be held responsible.
In effigy.
Yes, there you go.
Are you using some accelerant?
No, well, actually, yes, I do have
It's
some.
an effigy. Yeah, it's you know, it's like putting the Viking out the
If anybody has a beer or other beverage, this is the time to toast.
Yeah, toast. Yeah.
He's proving he's not too tired to start a fire.
I am never too tired to start a fire like this, especially when it involves accelerants.
I hope it ain't dynamite.
Mark, is that a cedar boat?
Yes, this.
Oh, it won't last long.
No, this is going to go up really fast.
It made these rolls.
It's made out of red cedar and it's really dry. Oh, anybody got lighter?
I quit smoking, yeah.
Everybody standing back, right?
Let one match do it.
I was just gonna.
Come on, get over here.
Let's let Jerry do it.
Get over here.
Hey, Jerry. You know, let's let Jerry light it up. You know, he's the guest of honor here. You know.
Jerry can light it right as
All right, this is really going to go up. I kind of overdid it,
Yeah,
but that's all right.
we're very pleased to have you. You know.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh God.
Whoa! You better run!
You'll be all right. You'll be all right. Trust
It
me.
ain't gonna go that fast.
Maybe. Watch your arm.
You're on
me to
camera.
run.
It's going on
That's
YouTube.
Bertie.
It ain't gonna go that fast. Yeah. It's gonna fight you
Bertie,
all
Mark,
the
You're
way.
good. You're good. Yeah.
It's gonna fight you all the way. Yeah.
Ah.
All right.
Woo!
Oh, look at that split out.
There you go. I agree. Hand over the heart. Yep. Oh, I. Yep. Think of where that thing's been.
Yes.
There it goes.
There you go.
Its spirit is leaving us for its final resting
Yes.
spot. It's a sad day. There you go. It worked.
Put it. Yes.
Yeah, there we go. Holy crap. Whoa, that's hot.
Yes.
There she goes. Over 100 years old, up in smoke. Holy crap. Oh, we got a second life going on here. Oh, the humanity.
Wow.
A lot of things happened in that boat. You can just imagine a couple young people going out on a dark lake. Yeah. Paint that picture. It is spooning.
What more?
Canoodling.
Canoodling.
What more could you do to top this out? You know. Wow, that's beautiful.
It's still not gone. It still has some fight left in it.
Go along,
And it's going to take that tree out with it.
it ain't gonna die easy. It ain't gonna die easy.
Yeah.
All the humanity of it right here.
Yes.
That is awesome.
You
Well,
know,
thank
so
you all
I'm
for
100 years, I'm 100
joining me in
years
this.
old, you know, and I ain't gonna go easy here. You're right. Yeah.
I've been trying to figure for 10 years how to get rid of this damn thing. I mean, darn thing. This beautiful canoe.
Beautiful.